Here are the yucky worms that are in the bird seed. It's like they've pretty much gone under. There's peeking out. I know you can see it moving. I don't know if you can see the... Well, you may not even be able to see it moving. They make a sound too. It's really gross. Let's see if I can... Ah, there they are. Well, the birds will have fun. Yuck. Really, yuck. Yuck does not even begin to compromise how gross I think these things are. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this diet aid worked for you. Just kidding. Anyway, bye.